So this is problem on in simple band brake. So first of all, write down the given data from the problem. So I will read the problem and write down the given data from problem. Okay. In a simple band brake, the band acts on 3/4 of circumference, means total how much degree of rotation of brake drum is 360 degree. Okay, ठीक है. Total rotation of brake drum is 360 degree, means circumference means total 360 degree. So 3/4 means 3/4 into 360. So what is the answer is 270 degree, means the contact of band over the circumference of brake is how much degree? 270 degree. Got it or not? Hello. A band acts as 3/4 of circumference, means out of 360 degree, how much degree he is wound on the circumference of band brake is 270 degree. Okay. The meaning of 3/4 of circumference is nothing but 270 degree angle band is contact with the brake. समझता है? This is theta. 270 degrees theta. Then a drum of 450 mm diameter means D is equal to 450 mm. Okay. Then one end of the band is attached to the fulcrum pin of the lever, which is nothing but O, and the other end to a pin 100 mm from the fulcrum. So 100 mm distance is what distance or which distance? This distance is B. B is equal to 100 mm, which is 100 mm from the fulcrum point. Okay. Then it is the operating force is applied at 500 mm from the fulcrum. So another distance 500 mm is of length of lever, which is 500 mm from the fulcrum. On this point, we are applying the operating force, which is nothing but effort, denoted by P. Okay. So L is equal to 500 mm. Coefficient of friction mu is equal to 0.25. Find the operating force, means what we have to find? Operating force is nothing but effort, which is denoted by P. So in this problem, we have to find effort P, that is asking in the problem operating force. Okay. When the drum rotates in this problem, we have given two conditions. First condition is when brake drum is rotating anti-clockwise direction, and second condition is brake drum is rotating at clockwise direction. So at both conditions, we have to find out how much operating force is required to applying the braking action in simple band brake. So you got it, all the given data from problem. Reply लवकर reply करा. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir, I got it.
So write down formulas for find out the tension ratio. What is formula for tension ratio? This is first diagram is for first condition anti-clockwise rotation of drum, and second B diagram is for clockwise rotation of drum. Okay, so all the notifications are given in this diagram, and all the values are given in the problem. So first of all, we have find the angle theta, which is given in the problem, 3/4 of circumference. Okay, means 3/4 into 360 degree circumference means total degree how much is 360 degree. So we got the angle theta is 270 degree. Okay, so convert degree into radian. What we can do for converting degree into radian? So what we can do for conversion of degree to radian mode? We need to multiply pi by 180 to the value of degree. Here 270 degree is the angle, and we need to apply to convert 270 degree into radian. So we have multiplying 270 degree by pi by 180. So answer is given 4.713 radian. Okay, this is the value of theta. Okay, you understand? 4.713 is angle of band which is contact in circumference of the brake drum. Okay, then next we know the formula for tension ratio. What is formula for tension ratio? Tell me. Hello. What is formula for tension ratio? T1 by T2. T1 upon T2 is equal to E raised to mu theta. Okay. So we know the value of mu means coefficient of friction is 0.25 and angle of theta is in radian 4.713. Okay, so put up these values in this formula. So T1 upon T2 is equal to exponential E raised to, what is value of mu? Tell me what is value of mu? Hello, what is value of 0.25 into what is value of theta? 4.713. So we get T1 upon T2 is equal to 3.253. Okay, then you put this equation number 1. Okay, after that we know the braking torque formula for braking torque. What formula for braking torque is? TB is equal to T1 minus T2 into radius R. Okay, but in problem diameter is given. How much value of diameter in problem? 500 mm. Okay, so convert to in radius. The diameter is given in problem 450 mm. So radius is 225 mm. But we convert unit of millimeter into meter, then radius will be given after conversion millimeter to meter is 0.225. Okay, so in this braking torque is also given in problem. The unit of braking torque is Newton meter. Okay, what is unit of braking torque in problem? Newton meter. Is this right or wrong? Hello, what is unit of braking torque in problem? Newton meter. Okay, so we need to convert the unit of diameter from millimeter to millimeter to meter. Okay, so the diameter given in problem 450 mm, I have converted in radius 225 mm, but in this problem braking torque is given in Newton meter, so we need to convert unit of this radius also in meter. So after conversion of millimeter to meter, the value of radius is 0.225 meter. Okay, so here put these values in this formula. So braking torque is 225 is equal to T1 minus T2 into value of radius after conversion millimeter to meter 0.225. Okay, so after that divide this 0.225 this value of 225. Okay, so ratio T1 minus T2 is equal to 225 divided by 0.225, so is equal to 1000 Newton. This is equation number 2. You got it? Hello, hello, reply me.
Yes, sir.
You understand equation 1 and equation 2? How can you find this? First equation is in tension ratio T1 upon 2 is equal to 3.253, and second equation is T1 minus T2 is equal to 1000 Newton. Okay, so after that we apply both conditions which are asking in problem to find out operating force, which is nothing but effort applied, okay, on lever. So first condition is anti-clockwise direction and second condition is clockwise direction. So we know the formula for anti-clockwise direction. Tell me what is formula to find out the effort or to find out the tension T1 or T2. What is the formula for anti-clockwise direction? Yes, what is formula for anti-clockwise direction? So in anti-clockwise direction, tension is applying at left side. Okay, in anti-clockwise direction, so tension T1 at on which side? Left side of this band. Okay, so T1 is 0 because of when we taken the moment at point O, then tension at T1 side is 0 because of there is no perpendicular distance to multiplying to this force. Okay, so which is attached to the fixed point. So T1 is 0. Okay, so what we get from this diagram, P is equal to T1 is 0. Okay, so take moments from take moment at point O. So P into distance L, this is uh, P into L is equal to T1 is 0, so T2 into B. Okay, T2 into B. Okay, so put the values of L. Here L means length of lever, which is given in problem 500 mm. So we have to convert millimeter to meter. So we get the length 0.5 meter. Okay, after conversion of unit, then T2 from equation 1, we write down the value of T2 is in equation 2, we have get the ratio T1 minus T2 is equal to 1000 Newton. Okay, so from equation 1, what is equation 1? In equation 1 value, we have get T1 upon T2 is equal to 3.523. Okay, so from this equation, we can put the value of T1 in this equation 2. So T1 is equal to 3.253, T2 minus T2 is equal to 1000. Okay, so minus 1 in from 3.253, so 2.253 T2 is equal to 1000. So T2 is equal to T2 is equal to what is the answer? 1000 divided by 2.25. So T2 is given 444 Newton, and put T2 in equation 2. So T1 will given 1444 Newton. Okay, so both values we have find out from equation 1 and 2. Okay, you understand? The value of T1 is 1444 Newton, and value for T2 is means tension in slack side 444 Newton. Okay, so put this value T2 in this condition for anti-clockwise. Okay, so P, we have to find value of P into L means length of lever 0.5 meter. After conversion from millimeter to meter is equal to value of T2 is 444 into distance B is how much distance? What is distance? B is given in problem 100 mm. Okay, so after conversion of millimeter to meter, the value of B is 0.1. Okay, so what is value of P means operating force. After solve this equation, P is equal to 444 into 0.1 divided by 0.5. What is value of P? Tell me what is value of P? Hello. Find immediately what is value of P means operating force required when brake drum is rotating at anti-clockwise rotation. Tell me what is
88.
answer?
88.8.
88.8.
8.
Okay, right answer. 88.8 unit is Newton because operating force will calculated in Newton. Okay. So this is answer for anti-clockwise. Similarly, find out for clockwise direction. Find out for clockwise direction. Here also value of T1 is 1444, T2 is 444 Newton. Okay, then B is equal to 0.1, L is equal to 0.5 meter. So what is condition? What is formula for finding the effort or operating force in clockwise direction? P into, in this tension is act as the right side. So T2 is 0 because it is attached at fixed point. So when we taken the moment at point O, then T2 will be 0. So P into L is equal to T1 into B. Okay. So P is equal to, what is value of T1? 1444 into value of B is 0.1 divided by length is 0.5 meter. Okay. So find out, solve what is answer of P is operating force for clockwise rotation of drum.
288.8.
288.8 Newton. Okay, right answer. This is simple problem for finding the operating force. Also in problem, we have to ask to find the braking torque or to find the tension in slack side T1, T2 or tension in tight side T1. Anyone will ask in problem. Okay, so we should solve with using the different formulas which asks in the problem. Okay, so you got it, total problem, how to find out the operating force in both conditions, anti-clockwise rotation of drum and clockwise rotation of drum. You understand or not?
Yes.
So you can solve easily. I will share another problem. Okay, so you should solve before in next lecture. Okay, I will send similar problem with different given values on your WhatsApp group. Okay, so you should solve this another problem before next lecture. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so I am stop here. So we have completed 5 units. So remaining last unit We will continue in next lecture. Okay. So here up total 5 units are completed. So all students solve assignments workbook. I will send on your WhatsApp group up to next lecture up to Friday. All students should solve the all the assignments workbook and MCQs online test up to Friday. I will send you all study material or MCQ questions. Okay.